Yes, it's going to be a great day. Hello everybody, BNSF Lover here along with
Wisconsin Outdoor Sirens,
the Crosse WI EAS,
Carsen Culpitt,
and DPCOM 1. So right now we're at the Diagonal Road 508 in La Crosse, Wisconsin here. We have a great meetup here with all the siren enthusiasts. Should go off.
10 minutes.
Yeah, 3-minute alert. We're out here on Diagonal Road. It's a nice day. It's a little humid outside, but yeah. When the siren goes off, we're gonna run over towards under it and see what it's like to be under a siren when it's on, because I haven't done that before. So yeah, everybody's excited. We got a 5-person meetup here, so yes, it's gonna be a great day. So here at Diagonal Road 508, I got my nice steady shot camera on my monopod. I did video and audio tests this morning on it, so there's your ECS stickers.
I have one of those ECS on my camera.
Yeah. So what's that again? Is that a
Bonfire.
Yeah.
Because the radio is already built in the
It's got a radio box probably in that bigger box up there, but
yeah. And then the one's for the battery.
Yeah, one's got a battery in it, the other one's got a radio box.
And then we have the power meter here. And then what's this do again?
The general power box is down at the bottom. It's got some type of
Thunderbolt like right here?
It was just
Yep.
It was literally right next to this.
It was low mounted too.
Well, it was kind of just a little ways from here. It's probably about
Yeah.
right. It was either there or there.
About the rotator box was probably about where that antenna is.
Yeah.
Hey, where was the pole that was stuck on the ground?
We were debating that. We don't know exactly. I mean, we could judge by past videos.
Here we have our ground wire.
Yeah, nice little ground wires.
I wonder where the pole is. Oh,
That might also be a backup. I didn't think about this, but that could have also been.
Oh, an inverter.
That box right there, the one below, is for AC. The big
Yeah.
box is for the batteries, and that's the control box on top.
Yep.
Oh, come on.
It's 11:02. This has happened to me before on Labor Day.
What, they just wait?
Or they don't do it. That was awesome. Successful siren shoot, about like 2.5 minutes late, but
Oh yeah.
that's okay. That's awesome. We have
When it bounced off of that tree in
Yeah.
the house back there, that was just, jeez.
I can hear the Doppler effect when I was running.
When I was
Yep.
going along there, I could just hear that.
Awesome. So another successful day at a 5-person siren meetup here. So yeah, this is my first behind the scenes video. I can get it on video.
Zoom right in, right between those trees. It might be where the power pole is too. Kind of to the left, maybe. I don't know. Hard to tell because you can only see it through a little gap.
Yep, there it is.
Yeah.
Cool. I'm videoing a train.
I found mine yesterday. You know what? I'm gonna take a photo today.
Yeah, we could take a photo.
They asked them.
Mom, I'll get your camera off so I can, so you
Well,
can.
that or we all want. First of all, we all want to take a photo together, standing next to each other.
I don't have my camera anymore.
My
Well,
mom is a wonderful photographer.
You gotta get the far away in the background.
Yeah, I know.
I think we should go like that.
You're in the frame. I don't know if I'll use it. This would be like a behind the scenes.
It's that whip though.
old tripod problem. No, seriously, this is a vintage tripod. The reason I
I
have
actually found some of those tripods in my shed one time. I was just like completely.
a lot of them were used. I found 3 or 4 of them on my grandparents' farm. I don't know. They must have used them for some type of equipment, but.
You having tripod trouble?
Oh yes.
This is good behind the scenes stuff.
Old school
I was gonna go
tripod.
to Gillsville and get their
Yeah.
Eclipse or new,
Eclipse 8.
Yeah, but I can't.
But Eclipse 8.
Yeah, but.
So here we are at the Shelby Fire Department. I'm with
The Crosse WI EAS.
Wisconsin Outdoor Sirens.
and
Carsen Culpitt.
yep. So we're at the Model 5 in Shelby. This is the start button for their Model 5. We'll do a little bit of rail fanning here, and then there's the siren up there. So yeah. This is awesome.
This is the best way to end it.
Yeah.
That's his. It's awesome.
Yeah.
This is a double cross.
Like way down there.
Yeah.
I want to thank everybody for making my day.
Oh,
How big
yeah.
is that?